Hello friends, this is Kelly and you are watching Learning and Sharing with Kelly. In this video we are going to see console method. What is console and console methods? So let's get started. So console is basically used for log anything in our inspect element. So it is basically used for testing purpose. Okay. It is a Windows property class console. So there are different methods. Basically we are always using console log method to log anything in your console. So just start with first method, console log. If you want to log anything, then just use console log. So already written syntax over here, console dot log. I want to test the code. So let's run the code using npm start and let's see the console is printed or not. Yes, you can easily see test the code console is printed. So now when to use the count function for log. If suppose I have one loop and to count, then use console dot count function and just save it and see the console log. It is the loop is run 5 times. So whenever you want to find the how many times the loop runs, use count function in console. So if you have any information which is need to be printed, then use console dot info. This is the info. Save it and check it. So suppose you have some error messages, so you can use to show errors using console error. This is the error message. So you can differentiate your information, your errors, your logs in separate manner using these functions. So suppose I have one array over here, Kedar, Ram, Ashish, Rohan, and I want to print this is as a table in console. So just use table method of console. So I need to pass an array or any object to this table method. So here you can see the log is printed as a table. So suppose I have any object, so let's try some object. So let's take example of first name Kedar, last name Lekar, print obj. So you can see the object is also printed like this as a table. So use this for better console. So now I want to clear the logs which have already printed over here. So use clear method to clear all logs from the console screen. Let's see. It is cleared all the logs which I have already printed in our example. Okay, so let's comment it so that I can show you all other methods. So whenever you want to group any console based on its type or anything else, so just use group so that all consoles can be grouped in single object. So for showing this, I am going upward and writing here console dot group semicolon. Just save it and see all the console are grouped like this. So I want to give one label to this group, learning and sharing with KD. I am giving name to it so that you can easily identify the group. So suppose I want to make the group as a collapsible. So use group collapsed like this way. And if you want to close the group or end the group, for that reason just use group end method to end this group. So I want to show you one difference over here. For group I am adding group end over here so that you can easily see the difference of groups. I want to show two different groups over here, so I'm going to add another group over here, Suffer Mama with Madhura. So now there are two groups. One is the learning and sharing with KD, and second one is the Saparnama with Madhura. Okay. So now I want to log some warnings. So for that reason you can use warn method to show some warnings. This is warning. Okay, I'm going to end this over here so it can be aligned. So suppose I want to log a time. I want to calculate the time of start and end. Then you can use time method. So let's copy our for loop from here and just paste it over here. Okay, so I want to log the time, so just write time, and where you want to end just call time end method and just save it and check the time of this execution. So for this loop it has take this much time. So if you have not used these methods, then just use these methods and differentiate all your logs separately. Thanks for watching this video and happy coding. Bye bye.